how to fit your food plan around your lifestyle, around your family life, home life, work life, so that you can stick to your goals and get your goals that you want, but without compromising to the extent where it leads to arguments, you're not getting the support that you want. And this is something that we see sometimes in terms of how that can be an obstacle. If you've done something a certain way for a period of time and then you suddenly change, like suddenly you're like, oh no, I don't eat that, don't eat this, that can be a massive obstacle. So I want to give you some tips to help you overcome this so you can stick to it. So number one would be to control what you can. And that would be, for example, this. Let's say you're fully in control of your lunch. Here is where you can really bulk out your meal with vegetables, salad, and this is where you might need to get a bit boring, if I'm honest. And this might be the compromise. So you might go, right, and have a big chicken salad, with a little bit of cheese on top for a little bit of excitement, if you like, but bulk it out. And this can help shave off that little bit of hunger. Get your cheese in. It's really good protein as well. So like chicken cheese salad, for example, it could be ham and cheese salad, some lean ham, something like that. And yes, that's not the most exciting thing. But what it does do is it fills you up, number one. Two, you have a massive meal. And three, it allows you to compensate a bit. So if, for example, you're not in control in this situation of what's being cooked in the evening, you don't want to seem like, you know, I'm not going to have anything later, or have to cook 5 times, which we don't want to do, then this allows you that flexibility. Number two is on the evening meal, let's say you have that, I have to finish my plate mindset. You know, we've all been there. Give me a yes in the comments if you've been there in terms of, I have to finish my plate. There's people starving. I was brought up like that. I was brought up with that like that. So that's what I do. Or is it worth, if you're worried about wasting food, is it worth just cooking a bit less? One, it saves you money. Two, it stops you having that problem in the first place. And three, that will help you stick to your food plan as well. And don't be afraid of just thinking about, okay, can we slightly change the portion here? Can we have a smaller portion? Is that okay? The third option here is just to simply add some veg, add some side dishes that you put in the middle, whether that's Mediterranean veg, stir fry veg, a little mixed salad. Add some protein in as well, whether that is some chicken on the side, whatever it is. You can pretty much add a protein source and some extra veg to any meal. And what that'll do is, one, bulk out that meal a bit more. Two, it means that you're not changing too much. You're just adding to it. Like, we love picky peas in our house. And this is a great opportunity to be in control of what you have. Like, yes, you've got some things that you might go, oh, is that, can you have that? And then you've got other things that's like, I can bulk out. So if I really want to, I can bulk out on carrots and hummus first before I go in with the more calorific stuff. Not that hummus is free from calories, far from. But I can bulk out on the veg, tomatoes, peppers, things like that. The chicken side of it. Then I might go into, yesterday we then did a little make your own wrap. But it was like, I can bulk out a lot of vegetables there, bulk out the wrap with some salad, as much salad as I kind of can in there, then you get kind of good to go with that. So there's 3 things there that I would recommend to help you. Because at the end of the day, you've got to do something different to get different results. And after a while, when you feel better, when you start seeing your body changing, when you start maybe losing some weight, aches and pains going down, all of a sudden, that becomes worth it. And actually, that becomes something that you want to do. And believe it or not, sometimes people copy. You might think it's different at the start and you might get some resistance, but even that, I hope that that's small enough to be acknowledged by others, but also maybe you set an example for others. Actually go, yeah, actually, I'm not as hungry now. So I'm more in control, concentrating more. I'm starting to drop a few pounds, feeling a bit lighter, feeling good. Walking's getting a bit easier, taking the pressure off the knees, off the joints. That's quite a good thing, right? So, any questions, let me know on that. If you want more information about our Reboot the program that starts in September, just comment below and I'll see you later.